Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best record player Bluetooth in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is ByronStatics Vinyl Bluetooth Record Player. This record player features multiple connectivity options for diverse playback that is suited to your needs. It includes Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity that can rapidly pair with your device from up to 33 feet away and allows you to enjoy your favorite tunes through the dual inbuilt stereo speakers. It also accepts music input from AUX and of course from the 3-speed turntable that is integrated into the unit. The turntable includes a durable design that is designed to minimize vibrations and eliminate resonance for clean and clear playback of your favorite vinyl. This durable design includes a metal tone arm, heavy platter, and diamond-tipped stylus with great tracking. It's incredibly easy to use, with a plug-and-play design that will have you jamming to tunes in no time. The turntable itself even includes an auto-stop function so you can leave the room or fall asleep to your vinyl without worrying about wear and tear. We also love the retro suitcase design of this record player, with a blend of contemporary and classic styles and easy portability. Our sole criticism is that the included speakers have an average sound quality, but the player can be easily connected to external speakers for improved sound. Considering the cost of this record player, it's still an absolute steal. Number 2. Our second best pick is Victrola 50's Retro Bluetooth Record Player. This record player is the perfect combination of a quirky, retro appearance with modern technology. It has a unique appearance that resembles a car stereo from the 50s and can act as an excellent statement piece in your home. This huge diversity of playback options is perfect for giving you total control over your audio experience and enjoying all the music from your collection. Its inbuilt speakers are powerful, with balanced treble and bass, and decent volume that can easily fill a room. If you're looking for extra connectivity, it also includes headphones output and RCA connections for external speakers. Some users have complained that the CD functionality is variable, with some record players unable to recognize all discs. If you are looking to play CDs, this is an important consideration to take into account. If you're looking for a budget Bluetooth record player with multiple playback modes and attractive, retro aesthetics, you can't go wrong with this option. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sony PSLX310BT Fully Automatic Record Player with Bluetooth. This is designed to make your life easier, with simple playback and superior sound. It features an automated tone arm that has auto stop, start, and return functions, leaving you to just put in your favorite vinyl record and enjoy. This turntable is perfect if you're a beginner to the world of turntables or simply looking to enjoy music stress-free. It reduces overall wear and tear to your precious vinyl, giving you years of satisfying and seamless use. The Sony turntable features an advanced audio design that is optimized for durability and excellent playback. This includes an anti-vibration design that can be found in the heavy, aluminum die-cast platter, and a dust cover that muffles acoustic pressure and minimizes distortion. You can count on high-quality, clean sound. It also has a high degree of detailed sound and rich bass from the superior tracking of the aluminum pipe tone arm. This sound is supplemented by adjustable gain and a switchable phono/line-out preamp. Our only wish for this Bluetooth record player is that it had adjustable anti-skating to give better control over the sound quality. However, you can count on excellent playback and years of seamless use with this high-quality, mid-range record player by Sony. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ION Audio Air LP Vinyl Record Player with Bluetooth. This is capable of diverse connectivity, including Bluetooth wireless output that can pair with your entertainment system up to 10 m away. It also features a 3-speed turntable, AUX input, connections for a cassette or CD player, and outputs for both headphones and external speakers. It doesn't include its own built-in speakers, but its diverse connection capabilities and playback modes allow you to take full control of your audio experience. The turntable portion of the record player is belt-driven with quiet playback and features a diamond-tipped stylus that has sophisticated tracking. Despite the durability of the design, the overall record player is incredibly lightweight and portable, with a sleek and sophisticated appearance that can easily integrate into your home entertainment system. Beginners will feel at ease with the ION unit due to its highly user-friendly controls. The turntable features an automatic stop setting that's perfect if you're forgetful and want to avoid excessive wear and tear to the stylus and your vinyl. It also includes a gain adjustment to take full control over the playback speed, and the option to easily convert vinyl to digital through the USB connection and included ION Audio Easy software. Our only criticism of this record player is that you can hear pre-echo from the turntable even if connected to external speakers. This can be heavily reduced, however, by closing the dust cover during playback. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is D&Amp L Vinyl Bluetooth Record Player. This record player is a reliable mid-range option suitable for young and old alike, due to its simple design and diverse functions. It has an attractive, classic appearance with easy-to-navigate controls, making it perfect for the technologically challenged. The turntable part of the player also includes an auto-stop feature, increasing its user-friendliness and reducing overall wear and tear to your vinyl and record player. This record player has multi-connectivity, including Bluetooth wireless that can stream music directly through its inbuilt speakers from up to 33 feet away. The inbuilt speakers have a whopping 9W of power each, allowing for powerful volume and balanced sound with audible bass. You can also connect to your device via AUX or enjoy playback through your headphones for a more intimate listening experience. You also have the option to easily record your vinyl to a digital format with the included recording software, allowing you to preserve your classic tracks forever and enjoy them on the go. One issue with this Bluetooth record player is that there is some volume discrepancy between different playback modes. What might be very loud from the turntable becomes quiet when switching to the CD player, necessitating ongoing adjustments of volume. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.